So good morning everyone, I am Diana Fernandez-Set, your demo teacher at this moment. So today's lesson, I will gonna discuss to you about the topic summation notation. I know that this is very new to you since this is the first time you encounter about this topic. But don't you worry because this topic is very easy and simple. Just make sure to familiarize all the process that we're going through later. So now, let's find out what is summation notation and how do we solve summation notation. Summation notation is a convenient and simple form of shorthand used to give a concise expression of a sum of the values of a variable. So when we say convenient and simple, it is already self-explanatory that summation notation is very easy form of shorthand. Maghambal naman ta shorthand, it is the fastest way of solving the sum. So, take a look at this term summation, which has the root word of sum, which clearly states that our first or main operation to this topic is addition. So, in Greek Latin, they use capital letter Z or sigma used to represent a sum. Again, in Greek Latin, they use capital letter Z or sigma used to represent the sum. Of course, sa summation, may ginatawag man kita nga formula. Siyempre, magkuha kita formula sang force, sang acceleration, may ara kita ginasunod nga formula. So, let's find out what is the formula of summation notation. So now, let's focus on the formula of summation notation. So again, nag-introduce ko na sa inyo ang sigma, which may tatlo na siya ka-part. So dito na mag-focus. So the number placed below the sigma is called the first value. The number placed above the sigma is called the last value. And here is the expression that will be evaluated across the indicated values. So, paano na sila naging connected? It's because magsuma ta karon diri kita mabase kung anong number ang dapat tasuguran. Then, amo naman ni siya ang basihan ta kung diin kita dapat magpuntat. So, paano ni siya basahon? How to read this one? So, listen very carefully. Summation x sub I, wherein I is ranges from 1 to n. Again, summation of x sub I, where I is ranges to 1 and n. So, now I will give you some of the example para mas maklaro sa inyo. So, here is our first example. Summation of x sub I, where I is ranges to 1 to 5. So, paano ta na siya i-simplify? So, since kay 1 ang aton nga first point, so masugod kita copy these values x1 plus x2 plus x3 plus x4 plus x5. Nga naguntat kita sa 5. It's because ang aton nga last value is number 5. So now let's substitute naman. So we are only just copy this 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 and plus 5. So plus this 5 number is equal to 15. So our sum is 15. So here is another example. So here is our given. Summation of y sub I, where I ranges to 3 to 5. So how to simplify this? So since our starting point is 3, so masugod ta sa 3. Y sub 3 plus y sub 4 plus y sub 5. Since ating last value is 5, so 5 lang kita mauntat. So, how to substitute this? So, copy 3 plus 4 plus 5 and total sa tatlo is equal to 12. So, how about kung ang aton nga x and y may value? How to solve it? So, here it is. So, here is our example. Summation of x sub I where I ranges from 1 to 5. So, since our first point is 1, so masugod kita sa 1. X sub 1 plus x sub 2 plus x sub 3 plus x sub 4 plus x sub 5. So, since ang values ng x1 is 22, so copy the 22. Values ng atong x sub 2 is 14, so copy the 14. X sub 3 is 15, x sub 4 is 20, x sub 5 is 18. So, i-plus na sila nga 5. So, ang answer is 85. So, this is our last example. Summation of y sub I where I ranges from 2 to 5. Since our first value is 2, so masugod kita sa 2. X sub 2 plus x sub 3 plus x sub 4 plus x sub 5. Since our last value is 5, so sa 5 kita napundo. So, how to substitute? Since ang given, so y sub 2 is 16, so 16. So, y sub 3 is 20, y sub 4 is 21, and y sub 5 is 10. So, add these 4 number, so equals 61. So, amo na nakapos ang ating topic, guys. So, I hope nga damo kamo manatunan sa topic about summation notation. So, di lang kita asta, and thank you for listening.